don't forget to click the bell icon to receive my videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cheez channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. So this is Jaya and today I'm going to share with you guys how I highlight and contour using the Eyebrow Pro Conceal HD concealers. These concealers are great for for concealing, highlighting and contouring because they have so many different shades for so many different skin tones. So that is so good, and also it is a budget-friendly concealer. I've been using the product for so long and I've been actually really loving it in my routine, so I wanted to share it with you guys. My highlight and contouring routine is mostly natural because I always believe that a foundation, concealer, highlight, contouring, powdering are techniques that are it should be natural. It should not show that, hey, I have highlight and contour. No, it is something that helps to structure your face naturally. So it looks like an illusion, but it should not look obvious. So my routine is completely natural. So I just hope this video is useful to you guys, and as always I tell you guys, like this video and subscribe if you're new and share with your friends if it's useful. Now let's go into the video. I finished applying foundation and concealer. For foundation I used the MAC Match Master and number 6, and then for concealing I used the Eyebrow Pro HD concealer in Warm Honey. So after foundation and concealer comes highlight and contouring. Now the shades that I use for highlight and contouring are these shades. For highlight I use medium beige and for contouring I use cappuccino. Now let's start highlighting and contouring. So first I'm going to take medium beige, that is I'm going to first highlight, and it comes with a brush, and you can see it comes with a brush in the tip and it makes things really easy. So just push the product and then I'll show you guys wherever I highlight on the inner parts of my eye, and then I highlight here. Here. Then on the cheekbone, and then nose, forehead, just the 3 lines, chin, tip of the lips. Actually these concealers are really good if you want very natural highlight and contouring. And then right here, just like a circle, eyebrow bone. Next I'm going to use a brush and just going to blend this really well. I just love this brush, it's just amazing to blend everything. I love it. I'll be just going over with Beauty Blender after I finish everything like highlight and contouring. So I finished highlighting and now it's next to contouring. So if cappuccino is really dark, so I use very little. So I do here, my cheek, I just draw a line, just like that, and then a little bit, not much at all. Next I'm going to use a brush and I'm going to blend everything. Just very soft strokes, not much at all, and just trying to blend, like circling and to and fro, everything just in that place rather than moving up because it would disturb the highlight. So I would take some time to do this because it should look really natural. It should not look like I've highlighted and contoured because that would just take off the meaning of it. We're just trying to give a dimension to the face so it has to look natural. So I'll be blending again with a beauty blender. So blending is very important in when you're doing a base, whether it's foundation, concealer, highlight, contouring, whatever it is. These are cream bases, and it's very important to blend because we're trying to create a smooth, neat skin with dimensions and all that. It has to look very much natural. So blending is the key. Slow patience and blending. So I'm going to use my beauty blender and blend everything. So not too much, but just very light dabs. Just very light right on that place to suck off any excess product and just blend everything well. So yes guys, highlight and contouring is done. I'm going to finish all of this with some powder. So I'm going to use one powder to set everything. That is usually what I do, but very rarely I set with different powders. That is for under eyes separately and then for the contour another dark powder. So adding more will make it too obvious. So usually I just set it with one powder and I'm done. So this is the Lakme Radiance Compact Natural Coral. That's my shade. And once I set it with the powder, it looks even more blended. And it also subtles any harsh lines. Everything is finely blended when you add the powder. So yes guys, that is my highlight and contouring routine. So this is how I do, and hope you guys found this video useful. And also I'm going to make a separate video of how to choose your foundation and concealer shade, and then another video of how to choose highlighter and contour shade. So do look for it. But I am MAC NC44 and number 6 in what is that? Oh, Matchmaster. So this is my shade, so you can actually match it up to the concealer and the highlight contour shades of LA Girl. So yeah guys, hope the video was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.